Hello everyone, Applebuff here. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you about an app that's really amazing and is really worth downloading. So without a further ado, let's jump straight into the video and check it out. So the name of the app is Countdown by Widget Studio, and it's a free app that is available on the App Store for you to download. But of course the link to the app is in the description, so don't forget to check that out. So starting with the home page first, you will see quite a very few buttons on the home page, which to be honest is actually really good. In the center there is this button to add more events. Along with that, there are also two buttons at the bottom. The bottom right is the button to add more events, just like the button in the center, and the left one is the button to make the list look more precise and informative. Okay, so with that being said, let's create our first event and see what else does the app has to offer. So in order to create a new event, you can click on either of the two buttons. Since Christmas is near, let's create an event for Christmas. Alright, along with setting the date for a particular event, you can even make the event tile look colorful by choosing the particular color from the list of colors given below. Plus, one of the best things that I really find amazing is the ability to add icons along with the chosen date in the event tile. You can choose any one of them as per your choice. And last but not the least, if you want the event tile to feature a particular photo instead of showing the chosen icon, you can enable the photo frame feature and add a photo from the Photos app. So now it's time to add the widget. Adding a widget is really simple. You just have to go into jiggle mode, then tap the plus icon in the top left corner, and then you have to choose the widget supported app called Countdown. Simply tap that and you will see all the sizes that the app has to offer. The first one is the small. Small one looks really colorful and minimal. Number 2, the medium one has a maximum capacity of displaying 2 events which will appear side by side. And last but not the least, the large one which can hold more than 2 created events. So for this video, I'm going to choose the small one. And as you can see, the widget looks absolutely amazing, colorful and minimal. Although the app is available for free, but if you want more color options, more icons and the photo frame feature, you need to pay a one-time charge of just $3, which is pretty insane. So with that being said, this is Applebuff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.